Hi everyone, I am Divya Jain, your own business systems coach, and today I am going to tell you three simple tools which are going to make your life easy in your business. How? Okay, let me talk about few issues which you might be facing in your business. Okay, number one, just see what issues are you facing. Number one, you get calls, multiple calls, maybe many, 50, 100, right? And they say, we want to book a call with you. Each time you are sharing QR code, you're sharing time schedule, you're calling them, what time are you available? Then you're finding out common time and booking the call, right? And now this is so much that you're not able to focus on other tasks. Or maybe another example, your call is booked. Maybe you have hired an assistant which you are paying, right, say 10, 15,000 per month. Or if it is a part time, maybe you are paying even 5,000 per month, but you are spending that amount. Okay. Now, this assistant task is to book calls for you, right? Now, this is done. But then when you book calls, you need to collect data from your client. Okay. What is it about? What questions do they have in mind, right? So that you can prepare well in advance. How do you collect the data? Now it becomes difficult. Now your assistant calls them again. Okay, sir, can we have some information from you so that we prepare uh, well in advance to give you the best result, right? So it becomes very hectic. It is so much of task for you, right? Say third example, maybe you are doing good in your business. You want to maintain accounts, but accounting software is expensive. As you are just a starter, you need something very cheap, which is available free of cost, say to you. You want to maintain accounts and you want to do analysis of your expenses and income also, right? Or maybe you want to maintain your client's data so that whenever the client comes back again, you do not forget what was discussed in the last call. So these are few examples I have given what we might face in our daily tasks when we do our business. And to be frank, these things impact big time. Why? It distracts our mind. We are not able to focus on important things like marketing calls, like making strategies. As a founder, you need to have the time to do your core task, right? So, what to do? So, three simple tools which can make your life easy in all these small things, right? Are very simple tools: Google Calendar, Calendly, and Google Drive. I'll explain you how. Okay. So let's take our first example first, where you want to book calls with multiple people's one-on-one calls, right? Now, each time you were sharing QR code, you were asking your assistant to book a call for you, right? It was hectic. But now you have what you have done, two tools you have integrated with each other, Google Calendar and Calendly. What happens on Calendly? You have put a form which is free of cost, of course. Your client fills in information, what solutions is she or he looking for, right? Name, email ID, contact number, the basic questions, book call, select time slot. Your call is booked. It is integrated with Zoom already, so the link goes off. It is integrated with your Google Calendar. Your Google Calendar is updated by default, right? Now you get on your email ID that your call is booked with this and this person, right? Now, this saves the cost of hiring your assistant. This saves time. This saves effort. You do not have to think about, okay, I have to share my time. I have to share the QR code, right? Second thing, second example. Now, let's say you want accounts to be maintained for free because you're just a starter and you do not want to spend extra amount on accounting software right now. Maybe you are a sole proprietorship concern for which maintenance of accounts are not mandatory by law, right? In that case, what you will do is you open your Google Sheets on your Google Drive, which is on cloud. You will not lose data ever in your life because it is connected to your Gmail ID. Maintain your accounts there, and in Google Sheets you get multiple feature of charts, bar graphs, which you can use and analyze your accounting expenditure or income, right? Which gives you insight that okay, this area is where I am lacking and I can improve upon it to grow my business. Apart from accounting, also you can create a marketing tracker where number of calls you have made, how much calls you have converted. So this will show you your ROI, right? How much amount you spend on marketing and how much return you have got out of your investment of time and of money. So that is very important to analyze which strategy of yours is going in the right direction and which is not going in the right direction, right? Another example, maybe that you've hired a team, now you want to delegate tasks. So you can create folders on Google Drive. You can create folders of your clients on Google Drive. So these three tools make your life very simple, very easy. Do implement this and let me know the result in the comments below. I would love to see your business growing 10 times from now. Okay, so do implement these strategies, share the results in the comments, and like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with as many people as possible. Thank you.